What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. We are using our new Disney Descendants backdrop for the Rise of Red because we're checking out new dolls. Disney Descendants, The Rise of Red, Uliana, and Bridget, priced at $24.99. I bought these dolls on Amazon. Uliana is the younger sister of Ursula, a teen sea witch with a mean girl streak. And Bridget is the young queen of hearts. Bubbly, generous, and sugary sweet, the kindest soul you'll meet. You sure about that? I mean, I've seen the movie. And sorry about the condition of the doll box. It was delivered in a bag. Let's get these dolls out of the box with these little easy-to-open tabs for a closer look. And don't forget the necklace. Out of the box, I can get Uliana to stand, which I always love. She comes with large, solid purple shoes. They have little straps and sculpted details like buckles. I would have loved to have seen some painted details, like Red's shoes, because on the box, we can see that the shoes are black, and then there's purple on the bottom and purple on the straps. She does come with a head full of hair. They're colorful twists that feel similar to the ones that come with Ariel that are meant to represent her locks. She has painted edges, blue eyeshadow, there's a little shimmer above the eyelid. Loving the facial expression with one side of the mouth turned up a little higher. I think it gives a lot of personality to this doll. She comes wearing a printed green vest. There's a little purple line at the bottom with some kind of serpent or eel and a zigzag edge at the bottom. It has a singed finish. The front has a turned over hem, and the collar has a raw or singed edge with a stitch. The back is green. The vest is removable. Underneath, she wears a long sleeve shirt with sleeves that are similar to the vest. The center of the shirt is a shiny purple material. There are some cutouts on the side. She wears a golden eel wrapped around one arm and a wide golden belt. Looks like there's an eel wrapped around a trident. Under the belt, we can see that the shirt has a layer of tulle and then a printed layer of strips of fabric with a jagged edge. It does go all the way around, and the top velcros in the back. She comes with a purple necklace with a shell, striped pants that stop a little past mid-shin to complete her look. I love a unique face sculpt, and the screening is nice and smooth. However, their heads and eyes are a little large when compared to a Barbie. Since these dolls are made by Mattel, I would have loved for them to have been seamlessly compatible with Barbie, but they are pretty close and could offer a different body type for head swapping. Uliana has a curvy Disney Descendants body like Chloe Charming that we reviewed in this video and gave her a curvy made-to-move Barbie body. And we saw that a curvy Barbie is slightly larger than a curvy Disney Descendants. The doll Bridget has a smaller frame. She comes with pink hair. It is 2 shades of pink. Her hair is styled with the front pulled back. She has a small flower hair clip, large curls. It feels like they have product in them. It might need a little attention out of the box. This doll has brown eyes, pink eyeshadow. There is a little shimmer under the eyebrow. Can you see that? She has a pink lip color with painted teeth, wears a pink jacket with a print on one side and a flower print on one sleeve. The collar has a cut and sewn edge. The bottom of the jacket and sleeves have pink tulle. The tulle goes all the way around and the jacket is solid on the back. Under the jacket, there is a pink dress with puff sleeves, white ribbons on the bottom of the sleeves, printed hearts and flowers on the front. Then there's an asymmetrical skirt and layers of tulle that look like cards with hearts. The layers are only in the front. It's a solid pink on the back, and there's a print under the cards. She wears stockings with hearts and red boots. She also comes with a gold-colored necklace and a pink painted heart, and a chain belt with a couple painted details. Oh yeah, and she comes with a cupcake. With shoes on, these dolls have a similar height, have movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Bridget seems to have a similar skin tone to Red and could probably match the purple top made to Move Barbie. For Uliana, you could probably go with the Yoga Brooklyn, the yellow top or blue tie-dye made to Move Barbie body, and Barbie Looks doll too. We can probably use those body donors for Cinderella as well. I love that they are making adults this time around. I've always wanted a Brandy doll, so when I saw this doll on the shelf at Target for $29.99, I had to get it. The packaging for this doll is different, with just a window in the front. On the sides, it says Disney Descendants, The Rise of Red. On the back, we can see Cinderella from the movie, and it says, A Forever Dreamer, Her Majesty rules with elegance, warmth, and grace. Out of the box, she has long blue hair with the top pulled up and the rest in a braid. She has a large crown. It's clear with glitter. She comes with matching earrings and a necklace, silver shoes. She wears a loose-fit blue dress with a V-neck, puff sleeves, a silver foil design that goes all the way around. It's a puffy dress that is shorter in the front and longer in the back. And she has a pair of white sheer gloves. Next to Chloe, it looks like their hair color is pretty similar, but I don't know why, to me, it looks like the Brandy doll's head is a tiny bit smaller. I could be wrong, but that's what my eyes are seeing. Since these dolls are articulated, I don't have to body swap them. But I'll probably do it anyway. In the words of older Bridget, off with their heads! Place the dolls in a plastic bag, and I just noticed Uliana has a bracelet. I place the doll in a cup of hot water until the head softens and can be removed. Then place it on the new body. I did go with the purple top made to Move body for Bridget. I think it's pretty close. You could probably try the tennis player, but I'm sticking with the purple. On the Barbie body, the dress becomes a snug fit and might need a Velcro extension in the back. The stockings are a little short, and even though the boots are a little large, they are staying on. I rinsed out the product, and I'm just using my hands to reform the curls. Overall, not too bad. Even though they're similar, I like the proportions better on a Barbie body. Uliana was a pretty easy transition to the Brooklyn made to Move body, and I had no problem getting the clothes to fit. I put Cinderella on the blue tie-dye made to Move Barbie body. She can still wear the original dress, but I'm going to take down her hair, and wow, there's a lot of hair. This doll has a center part. I'm liking this twist-out look. So I give her hair a wash. I put her hair in a few twists. I have 6 twists. I dip the hair in hot water. Then in cold water, I use a towel to remove the excess water. Let's pick out an outfit from Illy Forever. We can go with a athletic Cinderella vibe. I swapped her hands to give our Cinderella a casual look. We can leave the large twist in for a protective style, or unravel them for a soft twist out. Disney Descendants wearing Illy Forever is a perfect pair. And now I have my own Brandy doll with blue hair. Wait, is Uliana rocking the Ursula Illy Forever faux leather shorts? Yeah, she is! Thank you for joining us while we took a look at more Disney Descendants The Rise of Red dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.